back in the lawn today for another one. So today we're actually gonna apply some N-Ext products to the lawn. I've already did one round a month ago. I just forgot to record it, and this time, to be honest, I almost forgot to record it again. So I've already put a little bit of RGS in the spray, but I'll get some of the measurements of the next product I'm gonna put in. I'm sorry I didn't record that part when I put the RGS in, but what way to just record it now than ever. So we'll get some recording of what I'm gonna put in the lawn right now. Then we'll apply it to the lawn, and I'll show you some of the gadgets that I got, because this was a lot of stuff that I ordered this past winter that I finally got, and we'll get some stickers applied to my new sprayer. So let's check it out. Before we get to that, can we just get a shot of the lawn at 3/4 of an inch? It looks good. I'm loving this. Probably gonna give another cut tomorrow, but we're at 3/4 of an inch. We were at an inch to start, now we're at 3/4 now, and it feels like a carpet right now, to be honest. All right, guys, so we got a couple products that we're actually gonna apply to the lawn today. So first, what you see behind me, that is my Flowzone Cyclone 2 backpack sprayer. I love this thing. It gets product onto the ground quick, and it's a very smooth process versus me using my ortho sprayer that I use to put stuff out on the lawn, like the humic acid. Sometimes product, it would get stuck in the nozzle. So this past winter, I bought a Flowzone sprayer. So I've used it one time with the N-Ext product. So of course, I'm not gonna just come out here and spray stuff and not know what I'm doing. So I wanted to use it first. So we did use it about a month ago. But Flowzone sprayer, we got that. That's another added tool to my lawn care program. And what we also have, let me get a drum roll. We got some N-Ext products that we're applying to the lawn. One of the things I wanted to involve this year was spoon feeding the lawn with liquid products, as well as a couple granulars, but I'm using that for fertilizers. But we got some microgreen 002 that we're gonna apply to the lawn this year. It's a little wet. And also we have some aerate that we're gonna apply to the lawn. And the aerate, this is gonna help open up some of the pores of the lawn. I actually got a lot of areas back in the back as well as in the front that are a little bit compacted, and the aerate is gonna help open up some of the pores of the lawn. It's kind of like your skin. If you're not putting lotion on your skin or doing the basic things, then you're gonna have dry skin. Lotion, all that type of good stuff, oils, it's gonna open up the pores, and that's the same thing you're gonna take with your lawn as well too. And the next product we have some RGS that we're gonna apply to the lawn as well too. I know slightly about some of the products. I don't know too much. I'm a newbie to all of this, so I'm just taking you guys on the journey that I have at hand. So enough talking. We're gonna get some of this applied. We're actually gonna mix some of the aerate and the RGS. We're gonna mix those together into one tube of the in the sprayer, and these are applied at 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet, and that's for our aerate, and then another 6 ounces per 1,000 square feet of the RGS. And I have about 35 to 38,000 square feet for front and back total. So we're gonna get about 12 of this. That'll cover front and back, and then 12 of the RGS ounces, and that'll cover front and back too. And that is applied with 1 gallon per, so it'll be for 6 ounces, or sorry, for 12 ounces of the aerate, I'll need 2 gallons. For 12 ounces of the RGS, I'm gonna use another 2 gallons. So those can be mixed together. So I would have a total of 4 gallons that I will need in the backpack sprayer. And we're just gonna spray it all out front and back. And like I said, I'm just taking you guys through the process. I don't think there's no right or wrong way how to do lawn care. It's just getting out and doing it, period. I know a lot of people, lawn care isn't the best thing that people want to do, but it's something that I like to do. And what better way to even do it than to just do it, get out and do it. So again, enough talking. We're gonna get this applied. Like I said, I've already applied or put the aerate in, so we're gonna get some of the RGS into the backpack sprayer now too. So let's get this. Now that we got product in here, we have our 4 gallon of product. We're gonna mix it up. Have my drill, got my stir, so we're gonna get this thing stirred up. So another thing is I wanted to explain with the sprayer, there are a couple things there is something that didn't come with it. I got T-jet nozzles. This will help with the getting some of the product down to the base of the soil. And then another thing is I wanted to add some stuff to this, kind of customize it. Wanted to thank a couple friends who sent over some stickers. Got the lawn princess, we'll add this. We've got the black sheep, we'll get this added as well too. And special thanks to Neighbor Dominator. So we'll get these added onto the sprayer as well too. right, a little bit different look. Actually looks less light out here, but it's less light because it's actually later in the day. You seen me water the grass, but the thing is I didn't really check the weather too well. So although I watered it, it did downpour a good probably 15 minutes. So we at least got some good rain weather on that. But yeah, we got down the N-Ext products just a little bit ago or earlier today. So we'll see how that goes. Get you guys some results on how it's going with that. But other than that, appreciate you guys checking out the video today. Like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up, please. That would help out. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.